Here's why the 2024 Nissan Frontier just got better than the Toyota Tacoma. Toyota's aging Tacoma is clearly losing out to the much newer Frontier in terms of price, power, and more. When it comes to pickup trucks, Nissan provide one of the most popular when it comes to customers in the United States. The Frontier has been a part of the brand's lineup for many years now, and relatively recently the 2023 iteration of the pickup truck was also launched. We have been waiting for the pricing structure of the 2023 Frontier, and now at last the Japanese manufacturer's US division has unveiled the pricing strategy, with the Frontier starting at just over $29,000. As well as that, Nissan has added in the new Midnight Edition pack, which is becoming one of the highlights of the 2023 model year for the truck. In a world where the cost of virtually everything seems to be going up and up, it is refreshing to hear that a car brand has kept things somewhat stable with one of the core parts of its lineup. This is what you need to know about the 2023 Nissan Frontier and how they have managed to get one up on rivals Toyota when it comes to their Tacoma pickup truck. How Nissan have got the best of Toyota in 2022. While the basic prices don't tell the full story, you certainly seem to get more for your money with the Frontier. Toyota's Tacoma might be a very popular truck, but this current generation is quite old. The current generation was first unveiled in 2015, while the Frontier got a whole new generation for the 2022 model year. Only minor updates have been accurately granted to the Tacoma, and that shows in the looks department as well as on the interiors of the two trucks too. Value-wise, you only have to look at what you get with each package. For example, the Tacoma TRD Pro has a start price of $47,800. The current Pro 4X price of the Frontier is $38,720. That is a huge price gulf between the two. And while the Toyota might offer more standard equipment for that price, package add-ons will still see the Frontier price lower than the Toyota model. The base price of the Frontier is $29,190 versus the $27,150 of the Tacoma, but again, you are getting a much more up-to-date truck for your money from Nissan compared to Toyota. Frontier Midnight Package adds some zing to the lineup. The new Midnight Package also adds a bit of excitement to the 2023 Frontier lineup. Nissan says that this is being made available to the SV Crew Cab models, and the pack has quite a few interesting features. The Midnight Edition package adds in black painted 17-inch alloy wheels, black outside mirrors plus black exterior badging to the Frontier. As well as that, we also get a black grille to add to the midnight vibes that of course the package is going for. But that is not all it has to offer. Nissan has also given the Midnight Edition LED fog lights, headlights, and tail lights to round out the exterior additions to the package. Inside, Nissan have done a few things too. Black accents and a black headliner add to that midnight vibe. When it comes to the cost of this package, it is an extra $1,790 on top of what you pay for your standard Frontier. You do not get any extra performance however from the package, so if you want a bit of extra cosmetic additions, then this is the package for you. But the performance will stay the same for the Frontier. The Frontier still has V6 power at the forefront. When it comes to the power and performance of the Frontier, the pickup truck offers plenty of dependable performance. Under the hood of the truck is a 3.8-liter V6 engine that has 310 HP on offer, as well as 281 lb-ft of torque as well. When this generation of the Frontier was first unveiled for the 2022 model year, we saw plenty of exterior changes adding a tough new stance the Nissan Classic, and the interior had a massive modern refresh too to bring it right up to date. Getting the upper hand over big rivals Toyota. Toyota also lose out in the power struggle. Compared to the Frontier, the most power you get from the Tacoma is 278 HP out of the 3.5-liter V6 engine. The base 2.7-liter four-cylinder only makes 159 HP as well. Nissan have worked hard on the rugged looks of their truck, the pricing strategy for 2023 and the interior too, and taken a big step forward. Toyota meanwhile are now left in a bit of a no-man's land with their aging Tacoma, and a new version of the pickup truck is very badly needed if they are to catch up to their main rival.